I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking of all the things that we did. You did something. Shit like that don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't know what else around. Got me thinking I'll step on the wild side, cutting out ties. You one of a kind, the way you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna come through, 2:15, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of the things that you and me we do. You make me wanna come through, 2:15, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of the things that you and me we do. That's just what you made me wanna do. I drop all these women for you. Got my feelings running on the loose. This ain't what I'm really used to. Before anything happened between us, you were like my best friend, the one I used to run and talk to. Me and my girl was having problems. You used to say it'll be okay, suggest little nice things I should do. When I go home at night and lay my head down, all I seem to think about was you. And now you make me wanna leave the one I'm with and start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with you. You make me wanna leave the one I'm with and start a new relationship with you. This is what you do. Think about a ring and all the things that come along with you. You make me, yeah, come through.
Life always gets better. That this is just a season that I am going through, that I will persevere through it, that I will get through this, and I'm going to learn from this.
Thank you. I'm gonna do the griddle burger too. No, I take the fries. Medium well. Then no pickles. That'll be all. Thank you. So all you gotta do is tap the one you want and then just hit this. And then just put whatever words you want right there. Now when I'm saying the typing sound, you see how on here the words look like it's being typed out? If I want it to sound like it's being typed out, I'm gonna hit audio effects. And here you get the typing sound or typewriter. And then they're just gonna show you all of these different sounds that sound like a typewriter. Once you start it and you get the hang of it, you're gonna be cool.
You recorded that's all just one video. And you just don't never stop.
Never stop. Never gonna move the phone. I'm not gonna change the angle unless I want a different angle. Like right here, I'm on this side of the bed. But once I come over here, then the phone is moved, but the camera never stops rolling. You hit the arrow, you're gonna see all these little numbers. Bring it over some. If you don't like the dark aesthetic, don't bring it down
I like
too
the
much.
dark aesthetic.
But if you like the dark aesthetic, bring it down to, like, you see what say 1.7? Bring it to 1.3. If you don't like it that dark, then obviously stay past 1.3. Right, you're turning your exposure down. So if you go outside and you want to record something, turn that down because that sunlight is going to blur your video out.
She's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe out here, but she does it right from right here. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Ooh, oh, won't let you go. Won't let you go.
put your love on the pedestal. Whatever you want, I'ma get it for you. Hop in the whip, we can go school. Show you the city that made me like this. Ooh, 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 baby like this. Ooh, 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 baby look hot outside. Ooh, ooh, 21st Street. Ooh, 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 baby look hot outside. See, your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. Do you love me? Your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly.